Hi guys, today we will talk about how to update Yalla app on your Yalla app. All you have to do to update your app, you just go up, you will click here. So you will click here on this picture or your profile. Then it's going to take you to next window here, and you just go down here. Then you click here on settings, and it's going to take you to settings window here. And all you have to do, you just click here on about, then it's going to take you to next window here. Then you click here on check for updates, and here if you add any updates, you just click here and it's going to update with you. So I don't have any updates now, but if you have, you just click here and it's going to update your app on your Yalla app. So that's all you have to do. You just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. I wish now you are get it. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.